Hey friends, using WordPress CMS, you can easily create your dream website. You just need to select a perfect WordPress theme. And we have many on this channel itself. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a e-commerce website for jewelry shop. So we are going to create a website for jewelry shop online store. And the theme that we are going to use is Maya. And it is a dedicated theme for jewelry shop WordPress theme. The theme can be availed through the video description link just for $19. So this is the big thing. At themeforest.net through the video description link. Yes, it has been developed by ThemeBase. They are elite author at Envato Market. So Maya offers multiple pre-made websites that you can directly choose for your target website. Like this is one of the layout. This is really very clean and stunning. And this is another one, the third one, and this is the fourth layout that you can select. All these layouts are very clear in look and stunning look even. So let us begin creating our website, online jewelry store website using Maya WordPress theme. During the video, we are going to discuss all its features. We will overview the theme, and after watching this video, you will be able to take your right decision about this theme, or you have selection, you have option to choose hundreds of themes on this channel itself. I'm sure you are watching the regular video on this on the themes, plugins, and how to guides on this channel. Okay, so I'm ready and I have this core and press installation of WordPress, and it is using the default WordPress theme. I'm using this cPanel based hosting plan as always. If you have yet not taken the domain name and hosting, consider taking it through the WP Themes website. Link has been given in the video description so that we may help you in every manner in setting up your website. Further, once you buy the theme through the video description link that is on themeforest.net, uh, you'll be able to join the iCreate program for free, where you can take direct help from mentors, IC mentors, to complete your website. So all is for you. Let us begin without any further delay. So in the theme pack, I got this theme installable theme file, including the child theme, some sample data in different formats, and the plugins, Revolution slider, and WooCommerce products filter is included. And further, we have licensing and documentation. So we have to use this one, maya.zip file, for our installation purpose, which is showing just 4.8 MB in size, around 5 MB we can say. So this is a well optimized WordPress theme. The site indicates, and it works. It will work, I believe, in a fast manner. The website is going to load fast. So let us check this product listing randomly. So this is the speed, and it is handsome enough, good speed, and I believe it will work fine on our installation and on every installation, in fact. Okay, so let us begin the installation of theme, Maya WordPress theme. And to install the theme, we need to open the appearance, and under appearance we have themes option. Follow the exact steps. However, it is not a technical step, but yes, the exact steps are required. Okay, so we can simply upload the theme, choose the installable theme file that can be found under directory Maya theme, maya.zip, and click on install now. It will hardly take few seconds depending upon your hosting speed and even the internet speed and also dependent factors. So uh, it is a good idea to take a well optimized WordPress hosting, and that you can explore at WP Themes website. Okay, theme got installed, and we can check the details further. Uh, Just for checking what we are going to use, and we have Maya with the default theme, and I'm using version 1.1.20. As on date, this is being the latest version. We can simply activate the theme here, and upon activation, we have this alert that we need to install certain plugins. So let us see which plugins we need to install. Okay, so 11 plugins are here. CMB2, the Elementor is the page builder, Redux is the framework that had been used, Cider Revolution for hero image area, and the WP theme way core. This is core plugin. WooCommerce is of course here, and the enhancement plugins like WooCommerce variation choices, YITH WooCommerce wishlist is here. MailChimp for email subscription, WP Forms is for creating forms, and this is another WooCommerce enhancement product filter. So all good plugins and 3 are recommended, rest are required. But yes, at initial stage you can install all the plugins. So I have selected all, selected install, clicking on apply. This process may install all the listed plugins. So I am also checking this so that I may show you the clear picture. So I have selected all the plugins at once and selected install, clicked on apply. Let us see if it works. It will install all the listed plugins. If somehow it does not works for you or even for me, what we can do, we can install the plugins one by one by following install links available with all plugins. But I believe I can expect it is going to work and we will be able to install all the listed plugins in a single click. Okay, great. So I can see all the plugins have been installed successfully with all green marks, and it hardly took 1 minute for me, and it may be the same for you as well. So we have successfully installed all the plugins and we can come back to the plugin installer screen. And this time we need to select all the plugin so that we may activate all at once. So I'm going to select all these plugins again, selecting activate this time and clicking on apply. So this process will activate all the installed plugins in a single click. All plugins should be installed in the latest available version, and the indication is here, installed but not activated. So it is being activated. In fact, required plugins, the installed versions, all details have been given on the page, and yes, all installed plugins have been successfully activated. Simply click on dashboard so that we may come back to the dashboard and we can check whether we need any further action regarding installation process. Okay, so I got landed on the Elementor welcome page. We can come back to the dashboard, and here all looks good. So we don't need any further action, and I can see some new navigations here. So I'll definitely show you all the new things what we got here. But let us finish the installation with the demo content. And meanwhile, if we take a look of this website that we are installing, and this is the look which is showing nothing. Now at next step we can proceed for demo content install, and I'll find the option where we can import the demo. Under appearance, theme setup is here. So I believe this can offer us the demo content. Under appearance, theme setup is here. Okay, let us follow the link and on screen instructions. So this is basically a setup wizard. Welcome to Maia. This wizard will set up your theme, install plugins, import content, and it is optional and should take few minutes. So let us start this. On the next screen, I'm waiting for the content, in fact. So child theme is here. In case if you are targeting to edit code, you can install the child theme, but I am skipping this. And on the next screen, we have the demo content import. So we have all the options which demo we want to have at our target website. By default, home 1 is selected. You have all the choices, home 1, 2, 3, 4, or even RTL options. So I'm going with the default one. By default, all the content is selected, and for a fresh installation, it is recommended to have all the content. So we can simply click on import, and this process will start importing the demo content. And the progress bar and the percentage of increase will let us know how long it is going to take. So it is currently at 0%, so we have to allot some time. And this is a process where your installation is connected to the developer site and developer hosting or the resource where we are pulling all the contents like images, text, or the elements for our website. So it is a time taking process, and it may take even up to 5-10 minutes depending upon the infrastructure environment that you are using. So it is now started and it is on 2%. I believe it will be complete under 5 minutes for me. I will let you know the exact time it is taking for me. What we can do meanwhile, we can open the media library on another tab, not on this tab. You have to keep it intact until you are getting any message or success message here. And we can open the media library in another tab, and we can check if we are getting images on our installation. So if you are getting images here, it is indication that demo import process is going fine, and we can only wait on this screen until it reaches on 100%. And after around 5 minutes, hardly 5 minutes, I got this screen and it is simply saying all done, have fun. So we can visit our website, some more links. And if I refresh this page, first of all, how many media items that I received in this demo import, first of all, I need to check. It is 122 media items. And now we can check our website first of all. And it is yet not showing anything. So it is surprising for me. Okay, so this is the website, and at my first attempt of installation, I must show you. So I did not receive the pages here. So I used Apache server to install at my first attempt. Now I tried to install the same, following the same process at light speed hosting, and now I got the website. Only slider is missing that we can import separately. So I got this website and it is complete, and just we need to import the slider and we can make our store live just for testing purpose. However, and so even I was not aware that I need to install the thing using a light speed hosting. This is why it is important to watch videos on this channel so that you may know everything about choosing a theme and you may choose a correct theme that can fulfill your all requirement that you are targeting for your website, right? So now the website is here, and what we can do, we can simply import the slider one. So in the theme pack we have the sample data, and I believe revolution slider one is here. So what we can do, we can simply import the slider one that is required for selected home page. I mean the home one. So we can go to the slider and we can open the slider revolution, in fact, and here we can import and go for manual import and choose the selected slider. So under Maya directory sample data, the rep slider and the slider one. We can simply import the slider one manually, which is available in the theme pack itself. So this is the slider one. Now I can check back my website and I am going to refresh this, and it is here. All done, and it is really the stage where we can have fun. And I can check the product listing day indeed. Okay, that is fine. And if randomly I'm checking the product listing so that I may give you the complete idea. So it is working fine. And we have successfully installed the theme with all set of content, demo content. And now I'll take you to the backend very quickly to show you all the things. So in this installation, this is my second installation. So I got the number of images around the same, I believe. Yes, here 165. So earlier it was less. So I can compare since I have both installation live with me. So earlier there were some images missing. 122 was earlier, and now I got 165, which is the complete. And the pages, all pages I got here, and 33 published pages in which all the home pages is included. Just to show you, I can show you the home 2 and 3 as well. So this is home 2 where we need to import the slider separately and all is good. And this is home 3, and similarly we have home 4. So we got all the content with all the elements, and now I am taking you to the backend. Yes, this is the backend where I can show you the new navigation what we got in terms of customization options. Get O plugins, some new plugins like the swatches, variation swatches we are using. So this is the plugin where you can set the basic things. However, it is all set here. You can export. Theme web blocks are here. So you can control the blocks, and further you can edit the blocks like header 1 block, footer 1 block, mega menu blocks. So all can be edited using the Elementor page builder. It is going to be simple. Wherever you need, you can reach to the respective block that you want to edit, and further you can use the Elementor page builder. Next, even we can add new header and footer blocks as required. So products are here. Of course, you need to upload your own products by replacing the existing ones or override the existing products. Just take reference how it has been listed on the demo site, and it will work fine for you as well. So you can simply follow the same pattern and remove all those products which are only demo. So don't keep any demo item at your live posting, live website. Next, I can see the WP forms where you can control the forms that is available on your website. Under appearance, we have used the same theme setup, and further I have the Maya options, which is the theme panel option. So in the general setting, we have enable config image size, AJAX drop down. Further, we have header selection, footer selection, mobile, uh, some settings for mobile header, and the mega menu for mobile, style options, the WooCommerce options, and further we have performance options. So it is very simple again. And next I can see the slider evolution where you can edit the content of slider simply as is shown you. Right, so everything is fine, and you just need to upload your product, and you can go with the theme, which is Maia WordPress theme. And for editing the main content, you can simply open the page that you want to edit and go to the respective section that you want to edit. And further, you can click on the edit with the Elementor option to edit the main content of the page. So it is more than simple. Editing with Elementor is always being simple. You can like working on a Word file. So just go to the respective section, click on the area, and on the left panel, you'll be able to edit the content. Just keep in mind, you have to use the same dimension of image, same length of text content, what had been used in the demo. The rest things are going to be fine. And just in case if you are facing any trouble, you need any support. So we are here just a click away, and you can simply reach us through the comment section of this video. Just write in the comment, or it is a good idea to buy the theme through the video description link at themeforest.net, and you'll get in $19 you'll get the quality check by Envato, the future updates, 6 month support from the theme bay. You just need to spend $19 at themeforest.net, and you can join the iCreate program for free, where you can get all the supports for your WordPress website absolutely free. Since you are following the affiliate links, we will be able to support you for free. However, you can join the program on paid basis. It is all for you. And in this video, we created this site using the Maia WordPress theme, which is working good. And in the next video, I'm coming with more resources for your dream websites. Until then, goodbye. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.